In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the best website builder by comparing ease of use, features, pricing, customization, and support. We'll be diving into some of the crucial aspects that you should consider to make an informed decision. So let's get started. When it comes to ease of use, one of the standout options is Wix. It's known for being incredibly beginner friendly, which is a big advantage if you're just starting out and don't have much technical expertise. Wix provides an intuitive drag and drop interface that allows even the most novice users to create a website without feeling overwhelmed. The platform comes with a plethora of templates to choose from, making it simple to find a design that suits your needs and style. Plus, the availability of numerous apps means you can add functionalities to your site as you grow more comfortable with the platform. Now, let's move on to features. This is where you really start to see what different website builders bring to the table in terms of flexibility and capability. Wix offers an extensive range of features such as image galleries, form builders, and e-commerce capabilities. These features can be enhanced by the variety of apps available in their marketplace, which allows you to extend the functionality of your website to meet your specific requirements. Pricing is always a critical consideration when choosing any service. With different tiers available, Wix caters to a wide range of budgets, making it accessible whether you are building a simple personal blog or a full e-commerce site. By comparing the pricing with the features offered, you'll get a sense of which package provides the best value for your money. Don't forget to look out for discounts or promotional offers that can make premium packages more affordable. Customization is another important factor. When it comes to personalization, Wix excels as it allows a great degree of customization, enabling you to tailor your site to reflect your brand's identity. From changing color schemes to modifying layouts, you can adjust much of the content to your liking. However, it's important to weigh how comfortable you feel with making these changes, as more customization often necessitates a bit more learning and involvement. Lastly, let's address support. Having access to good customer service is crucial, especially when you run into unexpected issues. Wix offers 24/7 support with several options like phone, chat, and email, which can be a lifesaver if you encounter technical problems or need guidance during your website building process. Additionally, they've built an extensive library of tutorials and FAQs, which can empower you to troubleshoot common issues independently. And there you have it, a comprehensive comparison using ease of use, features, pricing, customization, and